Hello, Gimbal, and today it's so special day for me. So I parked the car and I wanted to tell you that and to show you something before I even did the review. Obviously, you know what I'm speaking about because you've seen the video title. First of all, thank you to Phottix for opening on Sunday and give me this camera. This camera is the Nikon Coolpix P1000. I was really disappointed when I did the review of the P900. You can check the video. I've got the suggestion, the card around this. Click on it if you want to look at it. I had 18,000 views in English, and I had over 100,000 in Spanish. Many people bashed me because I spoke bad about it, because I thought the P900 was good up to 1200 millimeters, and then from then on to 2400 millimeters, it was a disaster focusing wise. Some people fully agreed, some people disagree. I don't know, it's not the problem. That was that review, and I really wanted to check the next model of Coolpix P and try the P1000 when I knew the name was. And here it is. So I'm going to do right now a quick unboxing to show you what's in the box. And in a couple of days, or 3 days, I'll publish the review. I've got 2 days the camera with me, so I can test it and give you my impression. So let's start. First of all, thank you very much to photosura.com for lending me the camera and also allowing me to tell whatever I want about the camera. So, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/ericgibalphoto, my website, ericgimbal.com. If you have any question, you can send me an email to info@ericgimbal.com. As you can see, I'm recording from my iPhone. I didn't have not even a tripod for it. I've got a bag of popcorns right here, so it's standing on it. So in between the steering wheel and this bag. So I'm recording right now. So here's the camera. I'm going to open the box so you can see what's in there. For me, it's not a surprise because I recorded the Spanish and French before. But when I recorded the Spanish, I opened for the first time and I give you my impression. So first thing, Nikon tells us it supports RAW files. So congratulations for Bridge at last. RAW files. I know that Panasonic always had RAW files in their camera, but Sony and I think the Coolpix before did not either have RAW file. I can't remember, but they have RAW file, 4K video, and an impressive zoom. 125 times, which means nothing if you don't know where it starts from, but it starts from 24 millimeters, so it goes up to 3000 millimeters. This is massive, equivalent on a full frame camera. Okay, 24 to 3000. This is impressive. Okay, anyway, I'll give you a lot more of the specs when I do the full review. So let's open the box. So you don't see the box, but I show you what's in there. You have two small manual, a reduced manual, and then a quick start. They call it snap bridge, how to connect. Okay, this is for connecting the camera. And to tell you that the manual, if you want to, like any camera nowadays, if you want the full manual, you should download the PDF file from the maker. So I've just opened the box. In there you have a strap, camera strap here. It looks good quality. Then you have cable, battery, adapter, and charger. Here you are. Here you have the charger, battery, and the European socket adapter, because here you have American one. Okay, and a cable. So this means, like as many maker for bridge and compact camera, they don't put a charger that you can actually remove the battery of the camera, and well, you can do it, but if you want to remove the camera to charge in the charger, it's not possible. You must plug the charger in the camera and leave the battery in the camera. I don't like this because this means that if you want to go to make pictures and your battery was empty and you want to charge a second battery, you need the camera to do this, or you need to buy an extra charger. I don't like this. But on the other hand, you can actually plug a power pack in these cameras, so you can actually be using the camera with the power pack plugged in. I think this one can, I'm not sure, I'll have to check, but this is what normally they're doing lately. Okay, then You have a small box here, mystery box. What's in there? A massive sunshade. Okay, a hood. Okay, shade. Wow. So you can imagine the size of the camera when it's a shader like this. It's properly boxed with a protection. Okay, so I'm getting this out. Okay, it comes in a bag, and here it is. This is massive. Look at the size compared to my hand. This is massive. This is nothing but compact. This is incredible. This is a bridge camera, obviously not a compact camera. This is massive. But it feels nice in your hand. It's so big. It's so big. It's really big. Okay. I did not put the battery in there, so I cannot switch it on to see the size of the zoom lens of the lens when you actually zoom. You have you can flip the completely articulated screen, zoom here on the side, flash, integrated flash, okay. And the aperture at 24 millimeters is 2.8, and when you're on 3000 millimeter is f8, okay. So it says 4K video, so it says, you can see zoom time 24 to 3000 millimeter equivalent on a full frame camera. RAW file, congratulations for the RAW files. 4K video and an XGA OLED EVF, okay, which is this, okay, the finder, okay. So I said many times okay, but I'm okay with that. So I've got 2 days to test this camera. I'll have to give it back to Photosura. Thank you again, and I'm really excited to see the result. And I do hope that Nikon this time get it right, because I've tested the P900, the P520, 510, 530, 600. I did not even publish. I was too disappointed by the result. And the P900, the optical quality was good, but the zoom was not there. From 1200 millimeter, it was not there anymore. The quality was the autofocus didn't work properly on this. So this time they come with an even more a larger range of zoom. So it's crazy. So I'm really excited to test it. So I'm going to put the battery to charge, and in 2 or 3 days you'll get, I will add a suggestion here so you can have a look at the full review. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/ericgibaud. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any questions, send me an email to info@ericgibaud.com, and my Facebook, facebook.com/ericgibaudphoto, my Instagram, ericgibaud, my Twitter, ericgibaud. And oh yeah, thank you to thank you to Photosura, photosura.com. Okay, bye.